welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna learn how to design a spur gear in just 2-3 simple steps. So let's begin the video and start our stuff. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to jump into the Fusion 360, and after opening the new file, your environment will look like this. First of all, jump into the top, and in Fusion 360 you have to go to the utility. After going into the utility, you have to click in add-ins. In add-ins there is two options, F360 apps, tool and scripts. You have to click on the scripts. So to design the gear, we'll have to just jump into the add-ins. In add-in you will find the scripts and add-ins. One can use shift plus a pause hotkey or can do it manually. In that window you can see that there are multiple things like bottle, pipe, and spur gear is at the last. So there are two things, like in the C++ script you can design it, or in the Python script. My computer supports the Python script, that's why I'm going for the Python. You just have to click on the run. Then you can see there is a pop-up window open. It is basically the parameter window for the gear designing. One have to know about these things, like the metric or English. If you are fluent in the metric units, then you can choose metric. Otherwise you can choose the English unit. So after that there is pressure angle. These all are the engineering parameters. You don't have to make any modification in the pressure angle or the backlash. You just have to play around with these three stuff. Number 1 is module, number 2 is number of teeth, and number 3 is the gear thickness. You can do it manually later on. So let me tell you what is module. So basically you have to take a note on this, like what is the gear pitch if you are going to design it for your project. So you have to know about the technical stuff. So this is the pitch diameter and these are the teeth. So module is equal to number of pitch diameter upon number of teeth. If you want to calculate any of the stuff, you have to know symbol of it. So in the Fusion 360 environment, the pitch diameter is basically depend on the module and number of teeth. You have to do the modifications in these two to make changes in this one. Suppose if the module is 12.70 and number of teeth is 24, just click on OK and your gear will be delivered to your screen. Suppose if you want to make a gear assembly, then you just have to go again. You have to do the same thing. You have to go into that, and after that you have to just do the modification in these two. Otherwise your gear won't mesh, and it will somehow either intersect or won't mesh. So I just do changes, like I'll just make the gear number of teeth to half of the initial number of teeth. I'll just click on the OK. You can see your gear is delivered. Just have to put it out, slide it out to the move and copy. After that, just after that you just have to rotate it a bit, then again slide it in. You can see it's quite amazingly meshing up, and one can use it for the 3D printing projects, and one can use it in its personal projects. So let me just extrude it. You can do this extrusion and all in the same window, or you can do it manually just like I am doing. So your gear assembly is ready, and you can 3D print it by importing it into the STL or any other file that you want. Thanks for watching. That's the end of the tutorial. Hope you liked the video, enjoyed the video. If the video is helpful for you, this channel is helpful for you, then please do like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more. Thank you and have a nice day.